If you want to make such CGI ads like this, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I will teach you how to make high-quality CGI ads. You just have to watch this video completely. Don't skip any part of the video because less knowledge is always dangerous. First of all, you have to go to Google and write the name of the product about which you want to make a CGI ad. For example, I have written Coca-Cola here. Then I will select any image of my choice from here and then download it. Now, if you don't like the quality of these image but you like the idea, then you have to go to Google and just type image to prompt. You must upload the image you downloaded earlier on this website. After uploading it, it will give you a prompt, which you copy from here. Then you search on Google FX Lab. Click on the first website. Paste the prompt. Here it will give you high-quality images which you can use. You just download it, and then you have to go to Google again and type here perplexity. Paste the same image here which you have downloaded from Google FX Lab. After pasting this image, you have to just type, "Give me a short prompt." Here it will give you a short prompt. You have to copy it, and then you have to search for a new website, dingan.ai. There, you have to paste this image. And here in this box, you have pasted the prompt, which you copied from Perplexity. After that, it will take some time, and then it will give you a very good and high-quality video. And you can see its quality in the video, how good it is. And if you want more AI tutorial, just subscribe to this channel. And if you face any problem to make the CGI AD, then tell me in comments. I definitely answer you in comments.